Explore Kapati TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Manu Snem daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pin kraya pi na kabanda ka NEET.
Every decision I've taken has been about putting the country I love first.
Menteri Rambadu jong ka United Kingdom ukir Summer ulapin bina ba Risaiñ no kum Menteri Rambadu jong ka UK bat kum juru kum Nongïalam jong ka Labour Party Risaiñ undang yai bat shipor katba ka Labour Party kampat yo banjit yo Nongïalam ubat mai jongka uban shimti kum Menteri Rambadu bat mai ulapin bina yakani ha ka jing ai jingkran jong u na 10 Downing Street ha ka baw lai thu bola deb ban pentim yakani show King Charles III Ukia Stama Laong ba ulap pentip yakani shows EM kabilat King Charles III bat ulap tharu yaka Labour National Executive bakan sedang no banwat Nongïalam batmai shwa ka dorbar ka banlong ha ubnai nai lur ulap penbena ba un ai ka jingkershan ka bapura ya Nongïalam batmai ubaka parti kanjit Ulaong ru ba andaw la pelat no yakani ka shuki ka bahetam un kam yo por yala dia ban pelut bakalok bat kumju ru bat kikhun Ka Labour Party kan khot jongka ki bakwa banyakun ya ka shuki Menteri Rambadu bakin thep kerteng yala dia ya ka ban sedang na du ka khandai trik unaitung bat kan kut hadu ka khandru trik unaitung bat hadin kata kan don ru ka jingit thep vote banjit ya Nongïalam ubathamai kada ba ukia stama ula shim ya ka rai ban Risaiñ no ka dena mar bagir khot jongka Labour Party kim skaltan nat shu ya u hadin ka jing sharam khput jongka Labour Party ha ka election jongki jilla ha UK Kuman shpinkan mau hang ni ba ukia stama udai Nongïalam ka Liang Pyrshah Hapoh ba urishi sunang ubat kum Menteri Rambadu ka UK bat kum juru Hapoh ba ka Liz Truss ka bat kum ka Menteri Rambadu udai Nongïalam uba khlain bha jong ka Liang Pyrshah udai Nongïasañ bat uba penak bha banyakran ya ki babun kimat ki bayadai ba ki jing e jong ki pat ba nong shong shnong jong ka UK House Snem araja apusau kaladon ka election MP ha UK banjit economy khman shaka House of Commons hakaba hakani ka election ka party ka Nongïalam ka Labour Party kala job kuput bat nakin Rius pa san pautali ki constituency ka party ukia stama kala job hadu South Park khatwingut ki MP katba ka party ka badan ha ka sarkar kata ka Conservative Party kala job tang shispa arpwingut Ukia stama la yo ya kalat ban shimti kum Menteri Rambadu jong ka UK hendrei tang Hapoh Snem ula penbena ba Risaiñ no
Walking up this street 2 years ago was the proudest moment of my life. A new Labour government, the first in 14 years. A page in our country's history turned after years of disappointment and despair. The chance to change the lives of millions of people for the better. That's what I came into politics for. The journey to that point was not easy. 6 years ago, I inherited a Labour Party that was politically, financially and morally bankrupt. I was told time and time again that my party was finished, that we were consigned to history, that a majority at the general election, let alone a landslide majority, was impossible. But we proved those people wrong. Because we changed our party, ripping out the poison of anti-Semitism, restoring trust of the economy, defence and national security, and becoming a party that once again stood proudly with, not against, our national flag. The hard work of change was with a singular purpose, not power for power's sake, but to change Britain for the better. To build a fairer country with dignity and respect, where everyone is seen, everyone is valued, wealth and opportunity for all not just the privileged few. And look at what we've achieved in just 2 years. An economy that is stronger, growing faster than our peers. Wages rising faster than inflation in every single month since we came to power. Investment secured, infrastructure being built. An end to austerity, with the fastest fall in NHS waiting lists for 17 years. The biggest improvement in rights for workers and renters in a generation. The biggest uplift in defence spending since the Cold War. Small boat crossings falling. Asylum hotels closing. Protecting young people from social media. And 500,000 children being lifted out of poverty because of the choices that I made. Our reputation in the world restored, with Britain once again standing up for decency, respect and the rule of law, securing trade deals, standing with Ukraine, standing up for our values and rebuilding our relationship with our allies in Europe. Change promised by a Labour government, change fought for by a Labour government, change delivered by a Labour government. But I know the question being asked now is not who was best placed to change the Labour Party, to take us into power and to begin the vital work of improving lives for millions of people. Those questions have been answered. The question my party is asking now is whether I am best placed to lead us into the next general election. I have heard the answer of my parliamentary party to that question, and I accept that answer with good grace. Every decision I've taken has been about putting the country I love first. That is why I will resign as leader of the Labour Party. I have spoken to His Majesty the King this morning to inform him of my decision. I will ask the National Executive Committee of the Labour Party to set out a timetable with nominations opening on the 9th of July and completed by the summer recess. In the case of a contest, this will ensure a new leader is in place before Parliament returns in September. I will remain in post as Prime Minister until the contest is complete, and I will do everything I can to ensure an orderly handover of power. I will also give my successor my full and unequivocal support, knowing that they will inherit a Britain that is far stronger and fairer than the one I inherited 2 years ago, better prepared for the challenges ahead and better able to ensure the Labour Party secures a second term in office. I want to thank all of those friends and colleagues who have been at my side for these past 6 years or so, for their incredible commitment, service and support. I want to thank the brilliant Number 10 staff and our country's extraordinary civil service who dedicate their lives to public service. And when I leave the biggest job in the country, I shall spend more time on the most important job, being the best husband I can to my fantastic wife Vic, who has been a rock by my side through good times and bad, and being the best dad I can to my beautiful children, who are my pride and my joy. Thank you very much.
Pidan dukan marbam ndey compare lakabared kapa pidi harut surok ni kabahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way Nipishat ruti shat kiek bat kiwe nakabenta ka koi kakya jonggi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba pinyo ka jing shania naki pidon kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril ling ba ka section lai phuwe iwe kam de ka ba ba pinyo ka license Pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in daga ba pihak pan upload ru yaki kot kisla badan kam kat kum kejat jengkam jong pi. Pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang ha is khasihers Pila benlet bed cek office terekam jongki ke Commissionerate of Food Safety ke badan halowa lachumya. Naka benta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan ra syapi deka Commissionerate of Food Safety Government of Meghalaya. Bat bala kershan deka Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Snem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Snem's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is Snem's, our ride, our future.